One day at Overton Elementary School.
Wow, Glee, you didn't talk for a whole week. I guess I'll try for one day.
India was a very important country.
There was lots of Indians fighting for their rights.
India was a very important country that is on the east coast of the world.
Andrew Jackson made India move from their home country.
Lindsay and Dave, it's your turn.
Dave called so we wouldn't have to talk.
Dave, you can go get some water.
Okay, so we have different denominators in our fractions, in our mixed fractions. So what's the first thing we have to do if they're different? James?
Add everything.
Add everything. Not yet. You're going to be adding these fractions, but we have to do something to them first. How about you phone a friend and get somebody to help you? All right, so how do I find the lowest one?
The lowest one? So
The Patriots are way better than the Jets.
No, they aren't. The Jets are better. Right, Dave?
Hey, how about the Patriots?
No, the Jets are better.
No, the Patriots are.
The next day,
You know, if you would stop talking for 1 second, your head would explode.
boys talk way more than girls.
No, girls talk way more than boys, and I have a way to prove it.
And how?
I propose a competition. This is a blooper.
What are the rules?
Alright, rules are no talking at home, no talking to your friends, and if you talk as a point off, you have to have the least amount of points. I'll tell the boys.
So we're all in on the competition.
Okay, so are y'all okay with the competition?
Well, I don't think this is gonna work, Dave.
What about you?
Well, the girls are already going outside.
and that's how it all started.
All right, class, we're gonna make a story. 3 words. Start with it.
Ted, light, skies.
Once you hit that button, you cannot go back to change your answer.
Store.
Do you have any questions before we begin? No. If you need help during the test or something goes wrong with your iPad, raise your hand. When you are finished with the test, raise your hand and I will collect your headphones, your test ticket, and your scratch paper and pencil.
Skies and was
You may begin the test.
very
Put your
fun,
headphones on
exciting,
and begin the test.
and so beautiful.
All right, guys, good morning. Welcome to music. Today, we're going to get ready to sing Our Land is Your Land. So on the count of 3, we're going to start singing. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, what happened there? Why is nobody singing? Yes?
We can't talk.
What do you mean you can't talk, James? Todd?
We can't hum.
You can hum, but you can't talk. Singing is not talking, by the way. But if we have to hum, we'll hum. So let's all, on the count of 3, hum Our Land is Your Land. Are we ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
If you can't talk, you better hum.
So they hummed the rest of the song, at which everybody was still quiet. It was time for math. Could they keep quiet?
Distracted by what?
Numbers.
Why aren't you talking?
I have this mouth and it's my mouth. I can talk when I want to. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
Why?
Because I yelled at you first and I'm the principal.
But I don't understand.
I should be sorry.
Okay, I accept your apology.
Thank you.
It's over! Woo!